So what are you doing?
What's happening, guys? What's happening? Welcome back. Welcome back. This is Hotshot Trials and Tribulations. I am not doing anything that needs to happen, but I got a CB radio, and I want to put antennas on the daggum thing, so I'm making mounts for it. And something that I had a CB on there earlier when I had my weld bed on there. When I took my weld bed off, well, my mounts went away. So I know some of y'all are probably thinking, man, you're a Hotshot driver. What do you need a CB radio for? Man, I like to talk, okay? And sometimes I want to know if a way station's open before I get there. Sometimes I want to thank a driver for flashing his headlights at me, letting me know I could pass.
Plus, if there's something wrong with their tire, you can look
Yeah, if there's something wrong with the tire, like we saw that one.
Which I wish we had the radio.
Blowed out.
Yeah.
And I tried waving at him, but he didn't want to look, or he was busy, or whatever. It's gonna get loud, so I'll get with you back here in a second. All right. Now that all the loud music is done, I didn't think y'all really needed to see me cutting a piece of square tubing. So everybody knows what square tubing being cut looks like. I'm pretty sure y'all know what it sounds like too. So what we're gonna do, I got some bars over here, and I'm gonna weld to this square tubing right here. And actually right now I'm gonna blow my asshole out trying to get this thing back straight. Oh man, this saw right here, it's probably older than me, but man, it sure does work. But man, is it stiff. And,
could you grease the bottom area?
Oh, it's all greased up. It's just old. Yeah, it's just old. Maybe if someone sees me in the comments, you can tell me how to loosen that sucker up a little bit so it slides a little bit better. All right, so what we're gonna do is I've got these two bars right here. Right here. I'm gonna round off this corner right here, get that off of there. I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. And we're gonna weld it on these square tubings right here. All right, so we have to make sure that we weld it on the right side. So as you can see, the angle is right there. It'll be just like that, so we're gonna have to come on this side right here. Same thing with this one. We're gonna go just like that right there. We got it just like that right there. All right. This is really thin metal going on a really thick bar. So we're probably going to do a bump method so we don't flow through the pipe or through the square tubing. And cause a hole. Not that you can't fill a hole back up. It's just more work than you want to do, really. And kind of moving in a little bit of a hurry because this is my buddy's shop, and well, he's about to leave. So I don't want to hold him up. Well, I won't hold him up. He'll tell me to get out. So We'll try to get this done as quick as possible because we got over here a little bit late. Measuring. Just kind of gonna eyeball where I put the other one. And then just tack it. Normally, I would TIG weld something like this, but they don't have their TIG welder set up, and like I said, my buddy's wanting to leave. If you TIG weld something that's going from thick to thin, you can control it a whole lot easier than with a MIG gun. And I'm not that great with MIG. Stick and TIG, that's my thing. Some of y'all out there are expert MIG welders. I am not one of them. I spent most of my time out in the field with pipe, and that was either stick or TIG. Never really messed with MIG very much. I try to make it work. All right. So, we're gonna come on over here. What it's gonna look like, it's gonna look like this right here. Oh, it's gonna look like that right there.
Good.
Like that right there. Then my antenna's gonna go straight up from there.
And you're hooking up to the fuel tank?
The frame that was there already. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna weld the top and the bottom. Relieve the sides for, man, it's cold and that old forklift don't want to stay running. But that's okay. I know I'm moving kind of fast. Well, in fact, y'all usually see me moving around in these videos. Like I said, I'm trying really hard to get all this done before he's got to go. And get out of his way so he can go home. And I would weld it at my shop, but well, my shop is at the end of a 200-yard field, and it's been raining, and I really don't want to.
It's mud.
Go through all the mud. So my buddy said, "Hell yeah, come on." He said, "Hell yeah, come on," but he also said he's got to go home. So. Apparently I've been losing some weight, but daggum pants keep wanting to fall off. Which I kind of needed if you can't tell. We were just talking about that, me and my lovely wife. I said, I need to start sucking my stomach in whenever I'm on the YouTube. Because man, I'm a big old fatty. So,
And you don't have to take any precautions when welding it?
no, if I burn through an 1/8" steel fuel tank, then I did something drastically wrong.
Where's your weld hood?
Huh?
Wait, do you need your hood?
No, I'm just gonna bump this one as well because I am right next to a tank. Yeah, I know y'all aren't gonna be able to see a whole lot here, but there we go. All right, so it was dark when I was putting these antennas on, so we couldn't really show it. But here's the finished product. You have the antenna cables coming out of the cab. I got some grommets right here coming out of the cab.
Pardon all the mud. It's been a very rainy weather lately.
I still got to clip these. In fact, I'm going to do that right now because I can't believe I actually left that like that. But, you know, things happen. And so, you can get these clamps right here off of Amazon or any truck stop. You can get these. It allows for movement, so if your antenna does hit something, it won't break it.
Well, to a certain extent.
Yeah. I mean, it's only going to bend so far. And then you get your antenna at any CB shop. You can get it at any truck stop. And there you go. And that's the end of that one.
Do you need any more information on the poles that you welded?
Well, I mean, they're not moving anywhere. So as you can see, I'm moving everything but the bar. I've just got it zip tied to here, and it's pretty much cut and dry, really. Just try to zip tie it to here to keep everything out of the way, keep it from dangling and getting ripped on something. And well, there you go. And if you got any comments or questions, hit me up. See y'all later.